Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your page name on Facebook. And this is very simple if you will do the following steps. Alright, first, make sure that you're logged into your page account. That's very important. Then from there, tap right in the bottom. And then scroll a bit down and then tap on settings. Then from there, scroll a little bit down again and then tap on page setup and then tap on view. Then from here, you can change your name if you want that. So I want to change it to example 2. And after this, we can do review change. But it says if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So keep in mind that if you did a name change in the past 60 days, you can also not change it to a new name. So keep this in mind. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.